Two gay guys, one dressed as a fireman, one dressed as an Indian, both wearing leather, are waving to the Mormon missionaries, Jim J. and Charlie M., as they leave. They're all excited. The Indian says, "Oh, they were nice. Come back," he yells to them. "Come back soon. We want to hear about that cartoon book of Mormon." And the other one, the fireman, says, "Oh no, they were a little too gay, those rock chuckers of LDS, Latter-day Saints." Remember, you can print out these things. And 424-229-4140, make a video of America's hijacked lifelines. Say this to the Mormon. Sarah, Rebecca, and Joan, two Mormon LDS Latter-day Saint Church princesses, have been doing their missionary work. They've got the prospective convert Peter at their ugly Ascend temple or church, and they finally strike upon what they know will convert him, get that baptism for themselves. Joan says, "Peter, if you convert, we are gonna give you the rock chucking experience of a lifetime." And Peter says, "Oh, okay." And the three church princesses walk over to Jim J. and Charlie M. and say, "Go give him a rock chucking experience." Yes, I've been surrounded, you know where my fun stuff ends, by the fraud of the faith for decades now, and that's what everyone calls them. They had a musical out. I think I passed it on the internet. It went something like, "We're the Mormons, LDS, the Latter-day Sinners. We're the rock chuckers, openly in bed with those dangerous Muslims from the Mideast, bringing them to American soil. And you can't do anything about that because we're the rock chuckers." And they go on and on. Mormons telling the rest of America to kiss their ass. You tell them what you think of them. With that 4x6 photo, Mormons beware. Download, print it out through vote-truth.blogspot.com. Look for the big Flickr folder, my big collection. It's with this. Fictional video starts with Deus Pater. At some point under a desert here in America, walking in front of a whole bunch of bedsheet crowd, hanging by those egos of steel with those bed sheets pinned up so you can see that bearded face. And he says to all of you, brought here by the rock chuckers, LDS, Latter-day Saint Mormons, this is what awaits you here in America. We don't like you attacking us from the outside with all those cowardly Husseins and attacking us from the inside with that rock chucker Romney. You will get this. It's our fun fiction, and they were worried enough about this to steal it off my Instagram with a very good description. You'll get this remade 10 times. Welcome to hell. Print this out from vote-truth.blogspot.com. I heard they had a musical out. I think I passed it on the internet. It went something like, "We're the Mormons, LDS, Latter-day Sinners. We're the rock chuckers, openly in bed with those dangerous Muslims from the Mideast, bringing them to American soil. And you can't do anything about that because we're the rock chuckers." And they go on and on. Yeah, it wasn't much of a musical. It's time to put it to an end. 424-229-4140. Make a video of Americans hijack lifelines. And ask each and every Latter-day Saint knocks on your door, tell them we don't like your case in our neighborhoods preying on our elderly. And we sure don't like you in bed with those dangerous folks from abroad.